What's up, guys? Greg here from Almost 7 Outdoors. We're not fishing today and we're not hunting today, but we're going for a little adventure on the Hemlock hiking trail. It's a virgin hemlock forest in Cooper's Rock State Forest, and it's a little over a mile long, and the audio is probably trash because there's a waterfall right there behind me. But we're going to head down the trail and I'll take you on the adventure, and I have some special guests with me today. Alright, here are my special guests for this video. My wonderful wife, Caitlin, and our little puppy, Bandit.
Hello!
We're going out for a little winter adventure on this trail. Bandit's never been here, so it's his first time. It's about 30 degrees outside and barely snowing, so this is going to be a fun adventure. I'm going to take you guys along with me. You can see a little piece of the beautiful environment in West Virginia. We're going down the steps now.
Brandon! Sit! No, don't sit. Brandon, you look so cute.
Alright, here's our second water crossing of the trail. The first major crossing. Hopefully you can hear me. Hopefully the audio is okay. Oh, beautiful stream. Water is crystal clear. I think Bandit is enjoying himself on this walk as well. Stream number 2, some posted property over there. Caitlin on her cell phone, taking some pictures. Alright, we've reached another little spring crossing. But here's why it's called the Virgin Hemlocks. 300-year-old trees over there untouched, haven't been timbered. It's a beautiful area. Getting a little darker back here now. Just passed some other people on the trail. They had a couple dogs with them and they weren't on leashes, so we didn't want to have a dog fight, so we just went around them.
Watch this stuff. My ankle on video because he drags me down a hill. I guess.
I'm gonna give you guys a look at some of these virgin hemlocks up close. Giants. See how big that can get to be? Gigantic.
Hemlock trees and mountain laurel, snow, and my two boys.
Alright, man, let's go.
Rocks and stuff.
Get up out of the water, come on. We made it. We did it, Bandit.
My dad thought one time the road was up there.
It is. I made it to the end.
But it's not right over the hill.
Yay.
We did it!
Alright.
Woo!
Oh god, it's gonna be close, man. It's pulling my arm. Looks like we had some thunderstorms or some high winds in the hemlock forest. It's got a lot of downed trees in this area. I know the audio is going to be junk because I have the GoPro with the case on it, but stop for a quick video. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed that short video. We made it back to the car, roughly 2.4 miles to the end of the trail and back. Had a good day with the wife and the dog. Just trying to show you guys some of West Virginia's natural beauty and the trails, give it a better rep than it has. And hopefully you enjoyed that episode and stay tuned for a new episode of Almost Heaven Outdoors. Say goodbye.